What's up guys, it is time for the video that we have all been waiting for. In this one I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak iOS 5.1.1 on all devices. That includes the new iPhone 4S, that includes the new iPad 3 or new iPad, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't matter what model it is, if it's LTE, Wi-Fi, it works as long as it's updated to iOS 5.1.1, and this is untethered, so that means you don't have to do any of that re-jailbreaking crap if you want to turn your phone or device off and then back on. So this is pretty awesome. It's super simple. It's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. I'll give you guys links in the description down below to my website where you can download Absinthe 2.0. That's the program we're going to be using to do this. But before we get into it, let's go ahead and run through some things. By the way, click the like button down below if this video helps you out. It helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. So if you are on a device that is on 5.1.1 and you are already on a tethered jailbreak, here's what you need to do. You don't have to go and download a program on your computer. All you need to do is open up Cydia on your tethered 5.1.1 device, not lower than that. Go ahead and search Rocky Raccoon in Cydia. Now it's actually spelled wrong. I'll put it up there for you on the screen. Raccoon only has one C in it. So go ahead and search Rocky Raccoon in Cydia and you should see Rocky Raccoon 5.1.1 untethered. And then it goes on, but whatever, that's all you need to know. So go ahead and tap on that and go ahead and hit install. And what that'll do is actually make your tethered jailbreak an untethered jailbreak. And that's pretty much all you have to do. That way you don't have to re-jailbreak every time you want to reboot your device. And you're pretty much done if you're on already on a tethered 5.1.1 jailbreak. Now for everybody that's not, let's go ahead and do a little bit of notes on that also. So let's say you're on a lower firmware than 5.1.1, you are untethered jailbroken or anything like that, and you want to update to 5.1.1 and jailbreak. Here's what I suggest you do. Make sure your device is plugged up to your computer, go into iTunes, and you're going to actually go through all of your settings and, like, for example, info. What you want to do for this is go through all of these steps up here, the info, apps, music, movies, sync everything up, especially address book contacts, because I know people lose those like crazy. Go in here and actually manually sync it to your computer. Once you're done checking everything, go down here and hit apply or sync. It'll say either or. So go ahead and do that. Make sure all of your apps and everything is synced. Don't do restore to backups. That's not what I'm wanting you to do. So once you've got everything synced up to your computer and you actually see that it's on there, make sure, open up your address book if you have to. What I want you to do is actually restore your device. And what that's going to do, when I click restore, because I'm actually not on the latest firmware on my phone, so I'm going to hit restore, and it says, do you want to back up? Do not back up, because if you're already jailbroken, it's going to lose all, or it's going to save all that jailbroken data in your backup. So I'm going to hit don't back up, and then it says restore and update. So that's what you're going to want to do. Just do a restore and update. It'll download 5.1.1 for you. Once that's done, it will ask you if you want to set it up as a new device, or set up or restore to a current backup, which you may already have on your computer. So what I want you to do is set it up as a new device. Don't worry, now you're going to go through iTunes and you're going to sync everything up to your device manually. Just go through all these options again up here at the top. Go through and check everything you want, and then everything's back on your device. Or if you're synced up to the iCloud, that makes it even easier. So there you go. That way you don't lose anything. Now we're ready. You're on 5.1.1. You're clear. You're brand new jailbreak, or you're brand new and ready to jailbreak. Now let's get into this. So as I said before, you need to download Absinthe. If you want to, it's on my website. Again, the link's below, right down there below the video. It should look something like this. This is an old Absinthe jailbreak. Haven't wrote up the post on it yet. You'll see the links right here for all of your computers that you'll need. Now what you want to do is download Absinthe. If you're on Mac, you just open up the .dmg file. If you're on Windows, you go ahead and extract it. And what you're going to actually have to do on Windows is something different. Rather than just double clicking on the Absinthe jailbreak, which looks something like that, it should be absinthe.exe, is you need to right click on it and you need to run it as administrator. It'll be somewhere in these options. I can't show you right now because I'm on my Mac, but you'll be able to find it. Run it as administrator. You have to do that or it will cause you problems. Now once we're at that step, we're pretty much ready to go. So what I want to do is plug up my iPad 3. That's the one I'm going to be jailbreaking right now. Go ahead and have it plugged up to your computer. Actually, since I'm doing this on my iPad, here's a little tip for you guys. I have a passcode lock on it. So what you need to go do is go into settings and turn your passcode lock off. Actually, Absinthe is telling me to do that right now because I can't jailbreak it. It says it's most likely going to fail if you have a passcode lock on it. So go ahead, turn that passcode lock off just for the time being. All right, I turned my passcode lock off. Now Absinthe is telling me I have my iPad 3 CDMA with iOS 5.1.1 plugged up, which is correct. Make sure that is right. And then pretty much you're gonna go ahead and hit jailbreak, and that's pretty much about it, except you have to wait a few minutes. Now, it's a pretty fast process, but at the moment, a lot of people are doing this, so be patient. Their servers are slow and stuff like that, so a lot of people are doing this, and it's just killing everything and making everything slow. So if it takes a little bit, just be patient, and I'm going to come back once it's done. Your iPad and your computer and everything will be doing some weird stuff. If you're on Windows, you're going to see all kinds of little scrolling text and everything like that. Don't worry, it's not hacking your iPad. It's actually doing its job. All right, my device is now at the lock screen. Don't unlock it just yet. Let Absinthe actually finish up. It will tell you when the process is complete. And there we go. It says done. Now we can go ahead and slide to unlock, and there should be a jailbroken iPad. Just let me find Cydia. There it is. So you can go ahead and open up Cydia, and you have an untethered jailbroken device on 5.1.1. Again, guys, if this helped you out, please be sure to click the like button down below. I really appreciate it, and it helps me out a lot. If you have any problems with this, make sure you leave it in comments down below. I will try to respond to as many of you guys as I can, and also you guys can help each other out if you have any problems, or let me know any problems that you ran into and what fixed it for you. Now, one thing that a lot of people have been saying has happened to them is the jailbreak's not working, but doing a fresh restore to 5.0.1 did fix it for them. So what you want to do is do just like I showed you guys a few minutes ago. Go ahead and sync everything up to iTunes or the iCloud if you want to do it that way. And make sure and go ahead and restore your device to 5.1.1 and have a fresh, clean new device, and do not restore to backup. So that way you have a fresh device, and then you can run the jailbreak, and then you can go ahead and sync everything back. So there you go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I will see you guys next one. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this, and I'll do more videos on the upcoming jailbreaks and all kinds of other tech videos and stuff like that, mostly related to iOS devices. All right, I'll see you guys next one. Peace!